In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image carousel in Squarespace. Whether you want to enhance your website's visual appeal or showcase beautiful photography, an image carousel is a perfect addition. Let's walk through the steps to make your site stand out with an eye-catching display of images. First, log in to your Squarespace account. Click on the login option to access the back end of your website, where all the magic happens. For convenience, if you have a Google account linked to Squarespace, select the Continue with Google option. This quick access eliminates the need to remember another password. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your websites. Click on the website where you want to add the image carousel. This will take you directly to your site's configuration page. Look at the upper part of your dashboard and find the Edit option. Clicking this allows you to enter the editing mode for your website's pages and sections. Inside the editing interface, locate the Add Section button. Click on it to see various section options. Since our focus is on images, select the Images option to narrow down the content type. Next, choose Gallery View, which opens up settings specifically tailored for image presentations, essential for creating an impactful carousel. From there, click on Edit Section. This is where you can start customizing the layout and design of your image gallery. A menu with various layout options should appear. First, navigate to Grid Simple to check its offerings. However, for our carousel effect, select Slideshow Reel. This setting transforms your static images into a dynamic moving carousel, capturing the attention of any visitor to your page. Finally, adjust the carousel dimensions to your liking. A good starting point is to click on Insert under the Width option. This ensures your carousel fits comfortably within your web page, avoiding awkward overlaps or spaces. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've added a stunning image carousel to your Squarespace site. Remember, you can always revisit the settings to tweak the visuals further and align them with your overall site design. Keep experimenting with different styles and formats until you find what works best for your content. Thanks for following along. Your website visuals are now ready to captivate your audience.